show tang jong pe shom dong se than rei kala dei ta chin kemen jong pe jalla to now on behalf of the government I really congratulate each and everyone who have been a part of this memorable victory